Hey everybody, Gears here, and on the left is the prototype for the mold to save as much silicone as possible on the engine spike here, and on the right is the final version. The glue is still wet in a few places, but essentially that should hold long enough for the rubber to set, and then if I can't save this for the next time, all I need do is sleeve new cups on there. I won't have to worry about the glue then, because the rubber will have set, and yeah, so a nice cheap mold solution that should work pretty well. This gives just about an inch on each side and definitely a full inch at the top there. Oh yeah, bass strings, that's a reminder for me. One of the things I need to do here is make a clay bed, and the clay I have is cut into 1-inch bricks, so I need to slice that down thinner. And one way to do that is with guitar strings, since I happen to have some on hand. Or you can buy a proper cutting wire, but guitar strings work well. No test for this yet. I just bought the silicone yesterday, a couple days ago. It's already starting to blur in my memory. But that is one of the first things coming up, and I was just about to test out how close this cup would be for these guys. And it's just a little too short, which means all I may do is the same little trick here, put two cups together and call that done. Nice and easy. I was going to use a 4-inch PVC cylinder like that guy right there. However, that would be a lot of silicone wasted up here at the top when it doesn't have to be. And these cups definitely minimize it rather conveniently. This is my DIY vacuum chamber for when I do the resin and the silicone. We'll see if this works. This is the vacuum off of, or rather the motor and the impeller from a Makita powered vacuum cleaner that I had extra. So yeah, one Makita battery, one momentary switch. I'll detail all the innards there, or I already have in another video. So that's it for this one. Sloppy DIY mold making. See ya. P.S. Holy cow, Makita powered hot glue gun. How awesome can you get? Sweet. P.S. Slather a little glue on the insides of there, and yeah, I got myself a couple molds. Thanks for watching. See ya.